All right, let's get started. I have heated up my heat press and I have kept it closed for about 120 seconds to make sure my bottom plate is also hot. And I have it on a 310 degrees. Now, while the heat press is doing its thing, I have printed out my image. The step that you see here is called mirroring. I am taking the print, which is A, and applying the adhesive B, making sure the dull side of A is on the white side without the yellow lines. I sometimes leave a folded corner to help remove at the end, and then I press it for 120 seconds at 310 degrees with medium to firm pressure. You really kind of want to go more towards the firm side. Now, once it's done, I like to rub a textile, which this is like a microfiber towel over it to really make sure the adhesive stuck to the image. Give it a nice good rub. Then I peel at my folded corner, making sure I keep the paper low and remove slowly. And if everything comes out right and you've kept the pressure good and you've removed it slowly, I keep the paper down on the bottom platelet so it stays hot. And if everything goes well, the adhesive sheet that you pull off you'll see like a little bit of the print, but there won't be the ink on top of that adhesive sheet. Mommy? And here I'm just doing the basic steps of lint rolling, and I'm just, pre-pressing my shirt to remove any moisture, just in case. You never know. I trim around my image, and I like to add a little bit of heat tape to make me feel better. It's a habit from sublimation. This shirt is a 50-50 blend, so I dropped my temperature to 300 degrees, and I pressed for 30 seconds. I kept my pressure the same, and this is a cold peel process. So that means that I put it away off the heat press for a good 5 to 8 minutes, and I just peel it off. Nice, steady pressure, and it sounds scary, but just rip it off like a Band-Aid. Now the image is going to be shiny, so another quick press at the same temperature, same pressure will make it matte. And I'm using a T-seal paper. And that just kind of gives it like longevity and makes it also matte as well. And there you are. Looking a little cute there, huh? Thanks for watching.